So we had a great leader meeting, lots of positive vibes. I felt very charged. I had a comment from someone that it's been the most positive meeting in 15 years.
One of our primary goals for this leader meeting was to validate and extend our strategic plan by getting input from this group of leaders. Our strategic plan starts at the top with our vision to create a better world through automation and our mission to advance technical content by connecting the automation community to achieve operational excellence. Our values are core principles in everything we do. They include excellence, integrity, diversity and inclusion, collaboration, and professionalism. With those elements in place, we've turned to the shorter term horizon and created 3 to 5 year objectives for the society. These 4 objectives will guide our work and help us achieve our vision and mission.
We wanted all the other leaders involved to be giving their inputs, so we broke into working sessions where the working group leaders expressed the rationale and reasoning behind the objective, and then we used an online tool for everyone at the tables to talk for 20 or so minutes to come up with their ideas of goals and tactics that they could accomplish. We then collected all those with the online tool, we ranked and voted on them, and then the board met again, and we'll be continuing to meet with these working groups to finalize these priorities, see what boils up to the top, and see what our resources and what it will take to get all this accomplished.
I've been able to get involved early with some leadership positions, just being able to volunteer my own time and get involved with the type of topics that we're bringing to our group and our members. So it's a great opportunity to both learn and get feedback from what other people are looking to learn.
During being with ISA, being able to speak publicly and interacting with different people and different cultures and different genders, it really guides you